remember you said, do you even need me? Is it all inside my head? Tell me, am I worth it? I remember you said, do you even see me? Go find someone else instead. Tell me, am I worth it? Am I even worthy? Tell me, am I worth it? Tell me, am I worth it?
I've been recording with the GoPro. I don't know if the sound is accurate, but hey, so peaceful. I don't even know where I'm at. Check that water out. It ain't the best. For those who know me, I mean, my front camera, the only one that works. The one in the front, my selfie camera is the only one that works, but the front one, no good.
I remember you said, do you even hear me? Are you ever coming back? Tell me, am I worth it?
Cut my loss. I think I'm gonna get a call.
Do you even feel me? Looking back, your mind was set.
So I'm looking for a kayak. For my daughter, a nice water gun that I probably going to be using more than her. Kayaks, they costing $900. Jeez.